Hello, this is Mrs. Lew. Thank you for joining me. Let us look at this chemistry question. The diagram below shows the solubility curves of three salts, PQR, over a range of temperature. PQR are added to separate beakers of water. Okay, so you notice here, P, okay, there's a curve here. So you notice that when the temperature drops for P, there are a lot of solid collected when the temperature drops. Okay, for Q, the solubility remains unchanged. So you are unlikely to get much salt from Q just by cooling down. So for Q, it's a heat stable salt, so you can actually heat it to dryness. Okay, these are salts like sodium chloride. So you heat to dryness to obtain the salt. And for P, you can obtain it by crystallization. You just evaporate off the excess solvent, you'll get a lot of solute left behind. So P, most of the other non-heat stable salts you can obtain by P, which is crystallization. Then R is an insoluble salt. Okay, can you see the solubility is really, really low? This is insoluble. Okay, so if it's insoluble, you can filter it because it cannot pass through the filter paper. Hence, the answer is D. Thank you for joining me. Remember, you are a miracle.